being here with and for your people in a respectful way. We are grateful to you, to Reverend Garris, Reverend Martin. I'm so glad you brought that tub. Reverend Brown for that incredibly powerful message. To Senator Claire McCaskill, who's been here, and Congressman Billy Long, Mayor Woolston, to Craig Fugate. Doesn't get a lot of attention, but he heads up FEMA, our emergency response at the federal level. He's been going from Tuscaloosa to Joplin and everywhere in between tirelessly, doing outstanding work. We're grateful for him. Gail McGovern, the president of the National Red Cross, which has contributed mightily to the rebuilding efforts here. Most of all, to the family and friends of all those who've been lost, and all those who've been affected. Today we gather to celebrate the lives of those we've lost to the storms here in Joplin and across the Midwest. To keep in our prayers those still missing. To mourn with their families. To stand together during this time of pain and trial. As Reverend Brown alluded to, the question that weighs on us at a time like this is why? Why our town? Why our home? Why my son, or husband, or wife, sister, or friend? Why? We do not have the capacity to answer. We can't know when a terrible storm will strike, or where, or the severity of the devastation that it may cause. We can't know why we're tested with the loss of a loved one, with the loss of a home where we lived a lifetime. These things are beyond our power to control. But that does not mean that we are powerless in the face of adversity. How we respond when the storm strikes is up to us. How we live in the aftermath of tragedy and heartache, that's within our control. And it's in these moments, through our actions, that we often see the glimpse of what makes life worth living in the first place. In the last week, that's what Joplin has not just taught Missouri, not just taught America, but has taught the world. I was overseas in the aftermath of the storm, and you had world leaders coming up to me, saying, let the people of Joplin know we are with them. We're thinking about it. Because the world saw how Joplin responded. A university turns itself into a makeshift hospital. Use your pickup trucks as ambulances, carrying the injured, on doors that serve as shelters. Your restaurants have rushed food to people in need. Businesses fill trucks with donations. You've waited in line for hours to donate blood to people you know, but also to people you never met. And in all this, you have lived the words of Scripture. We are troubled on every side, yet not distressed. We are perplexed, but not in despair. Persecuted, but not forsaken. Cast down, but not destroyed. As the governor said, you have shown the world what it means to love thy neighbor. You band it together. You've come to each other's aid. You've demonstrated a simple truth. That amid heartbreak and tragedy, no one is a stranger. Everybody is a brother. As you move forward in the days ahead, I know that rebuilding what you've lost won't be easy. I just walked through some of the neighborhoods that have been affected. And you look out at the landscape, there have to be moments where you just say, where to begin? How to start? There are going to be moments where, after the shock is worn off, you feel alone. But there's no doubt in my mind what the people of this community can do. There's no doubt in my mind that Joplin will rebuild. And as president, I can promise you, your country will be there with you every single step of the way.